Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we get a lot of inquiries in here about payments, whether they be inbound or outbound, and what's happening with them. So we have noticed of late that there has been a slowdown in payments. So just to clarify things, so hopefully to stop you having to call in to find out what's happened to a payment, you can view this video. So what seems to be happening with a lot of outgoing payments, if this is the first time we are sending a payment to you, the banks seem to be mandatorily locking up that payment for 24 hours for security reasons. So if you're selling back to us and you're expecting payment, it may take up to 24 hours before it hits your bank account, so just be aware of that. It seems to be across the board. It seems to be coming inbound as well. We're seeing a delay in some payments coming in as well. As I said, we talked to the banks about it. They seem to be indicating that it is for security reasons. You can read between the lines however you like on that one. But yeah, so for your information, if you're expecting a payment in or expecting a payment out from Bullion Now, it's a good idea just to wait that 24 hours and it will clear in that time. That's it for now. Like I said, just a quick message on it. We'll talk again soon. See ya.